Hello! Are you preparing for the OPIC test or trying to feel more confident in business English conversations? You're in the right place. Book a private 30-minute session with a certified English coach who understands your needs. Get speaking practice, expert feedback, and real-life role plays to boost your fluency and confidence. Whether you're preparing for an interview, test, or your career, we'll focus on what matters to you. Simple bookings. You can follow the link below to make a simple booking through Calendly. Easy payment with PayPal or Wise. Limited sessions available, so please reserve your time today so we can help you speak better tomorrow with confidence. Until I see you in the classroom, goodbye.